Hello big boys and girls. So this particular video is for my graphic designers, and I've been wanting to do this video for a very long time now. I finally got the chance to do so. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can extract fonts using your Zarchiver app. So a lot of persons have been like complaining about this font extraction situation, so I just decided to do this video today. So I'm just going to be showing you how you can do this yourself. So this is the Zarchiver app. I'm just going to click on it, and this is what you get. This is your Zarchiver app. So the fonts I use in the fonts I use particularly for my PIXELLAB is the FDMC fonts, this particular fonts here, and I already have mine extracted. So I'm going to be doing this tutorial using a different font zip. Okay, so I have a zip here. Let me just locate the zip, guys. So guys, this is the font zip. For the purpose of this video, I just downloaded a new font zip, which is this one here, the special logo font zip. So I'm just going to click on it and show you how you can extract fonts using your smartphone with the Zarchiver app. So the first thing you're going to do is to locate the fonts, in this case the FDMC font. So I'm just going to click on it. That's what you're going to do. Then you have to choose what you're going to do. Is either you extract here, but if you have a particular folder, you can just click on extract. So I'm just going to click on extract instead of extract here. I'm going to click on extract. Then I'm going to choose the folder I want. So I advise you to create a folder for your fonts. So I'm just going to go ahead to locate the folder I created for this tutorial. So I'm just going to go back to locate the particular font, and I gave it a name, which is the font tutorial here. So I'm not going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on this arrow sign with that is like at the bottom of your screen with a green circle. That's what you're going to be clicking on, this circle here. That was visible. Let me just do it again. This is what you're going to be clicking on here, and ensure you follow it step by step. If you miss a step, it's not going to work. So I'm just going to click on that, and it is extracting. So I have my font here, so extracted. So if I just click on the extra logo fonts, you see that it is extracted and it is no longer carrying the zip title. So this is it, and these are the fonts. So I just extracted about how many fonts here, can't count it, but it's a few. So this is how you extract your fonts using the Zarchiver app. So I'm going to also teach you how you can add this to your PIXELLAB. I hope I'm recording. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can add this particular font now to your PIXELLAB. So let's just head over to PIXELLAB now. So guys, this is PIXELLAB, and if you want to add some fonts to your PIXELLAB, just follow the process just like I'm doing right now. So what you're going to do is to locate your fonts. I'm going to click on this text icon here, then locate my font, which is this here, and I'm going to go to my fonts. Ensure you go to your fonts, particularly my font where it says my fonts. I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to be choosing a folder, a new folder, this T with a plus sign here. Let me indicate that you're going to be clicking on this. So let's do that. So I'm going to click on this. This is how you can add. So I'm going to locate the font we just extracted. So you have to locate the font you just extracted on your Zarchiver app. Guys, I finally found the font, which is this one here, my fonts tutorial. I'm just going to click on this. Is the folder rather. This is the folder. So I'm just going to click on this, and I have my font here, which is this first one here, extra logo font. So I'm just going to click on it. This is the font we extracted using the Zarchiver app. So I just want to add it to my PIXELLAB. So I'm just going to click on it. Then you have to select all. So you have to do bit by bit for this one. I have to select all here, then click on select, and it will be added automatically to your PIXELLAB. If I check here, I didn't even see the name of that font, but it is added to your PIXELLAB. If you know the name of the font, you're just going to search on it here, and you're going to see it. So I don't know, I didn't record the name of that particular font, but it is added to my PIXELLAB. That is why it's redirected me back to PIXELLAB. Okay, so this is how you can add fonts on your PIXELLAB. So for those of you that don't have the FDMC fonts and you want the FDMC font, which is about over 2,000 fonts, I'm going to be leaving a link to my free Telegram channel for graphic materials. You can use both fonts, PSD mockup files. Is a new group I'm going to be creating, so I'm going to be dropping the FDMC fonts there and some other graphic materials you're going to be using for your graphic journey there. So ensure you join the Telegram group. It is a free group and you can download the fonts there. And if you want to source for fonts, you can also use the Dayfont site. I think, let me just show you that fast before I end the video. I'm just going to head over to my browser now. So guys, this is it. This is the Dayfont site. This, when I started, before I got the FDMC fonts, which is over 2,000, this is what I used. This doesn't come in a zip, it comes singly, just a few that comes in a zip, but these are all fonts, really good fonts. It comes in batches. We have fancy fonts here, we have foreign look, techno, gothic, basic. So if you want a particular type of font, you're just going to click on it. For example, if I want a curly font, I'm just going to click on calligraphy here, and this is what you have. You can easily download it. So if you want to download, you can as it is written here, free for personal use. You cannot use it for commercial use, you can just use it for yourself, but you can also use it if you're into local graphic design. You can use this. Okay, so just click on download here, then it is going to download and you're going to extract it using your Zarchiver app. And that is it, guys. This is how you can extract fonts using your Zarchiver app rather, and how you can also add it to PIXELLAB. If you don't understand anything, you can keep your questions in the comments, and you have to rewatch the video to gain mastery of how to extract fonts using your Zarchiver app. And I will see you guys in my next video. Ensure you join the Telegram group if you want these fonts and other free graphic material. Okay, see you in my next video, guys. Bye.